And there's some significant challenges to get a highly reliable, efficient, economical platform to be able to perform those missions such as air taxi. The one precious asset we still must protect is our own personal time. As you can see on this slide, worldwide average, people lose about 210 hours a year in congestion. But roughly that's nearly 9 days per year for an individual. And that's a major cut into people's productivity. In the transportation sector, we're seeing different business models that have emerged in the area of shared resources, such as ride sharing. And those models can be extended to an air travel segment. We spend a tremendous amount of time doing testing with autonomous flight and understanding the levels of safety that are going to be needed for a rigorous regulatory policy to make sure that we all continue to maintain the safety and the standards of flying that we've all come to enjoy. We cannot sacrifice safety whatsoever as we enter into this new chapter. So the problem exists, and these technologies are converging, and that gives us a big opportunity to go and start to address this. When you think of urban air mobility in particular, I think the first thing that people think about is the flying car or the air platform. And there's some significant challenges to get a highly reliable, efficient, economical platform to be able to perform those missions such as air taxi. There's a maturity that has to occur in the supply chain. There has to be a level of quality to make sure that all the components are aviation grade and are produced at scale. A new industry around urban air mobility will attract new players, it'll attract new investors, it'll attract new entrepreneurs, and that brings innovation. It brings speed and agility to move forward. But what we have to remember is our overall commitment to safety. Again, we have to look at our history and learn from it and continue to make sure that we're striving to have the same level of safety in these new vehicles, air vehicles that we've had in the past. That's a main focus for us. And that really is the balance between speed and agility and also making sure that we have safety going forward.
The World Knowledge Forum